How to build LinkedIn profile for freshers.
Profile basics. Start with a professional profile picture, your full name, and a concise headline that reflects your career aspirations. Summary. Craft a brief, engaging summary that highlights your skills, passion, and career goals. Education. Detail your educational background, including your degree, institution, and graduation year. Skills. List relevant skills you possess. Focus on key competencies related to your field. Experience, if any. Include any internships, volunteer work, or projects. Emphasize achievements and skills gained. Projects. Showcase any noteworthy projects you've worked on, demonstrating your hands-on experience and problem-solving abilities. Recommendations. Seek recommendations from professors, mentors, or colleagues who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. Certifications. If you have relevant certifications, display them to enhance your credibility. Networking. Connect with professionals in your industry or alumni. Personalize connection requests with a brief introduction. Engagement. Comment on industry content to stay visible. Job preferences. Use the Open to Job Opportunities feature if you are actively seeking employment. Keep it professional, emphasize strengths, and tailor for your target audience.